Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking a healthy, delicious, and tasty Mooli ka Sambar, also called Mullangi Sambar in South India. If you love a vegetarian diet and enjoy making and having different curries, this dish will be one of the healthiest choices for you. Here's everything we'll need to make this fresh and healthy Indian curry. Clean sliced mooli, boiled toor dal, mixed tamarind water, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, 2 to 3 chilies, 1 straight sliced onion, freshly chopped coriander, curry leaves, 1 sliced tomato, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, hing and sambar powder. Now, let's see how to make a traditionally healthy and fresh Mooli ka Sambar in an easy way. As always, make sure the ingredients are ready beforehand, as mentioned. Light the gas stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil to the clay handi. Here, we have already added 2 teaspoons of oil. Let the oil heat in the handi. Then add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and jeera seeds to the heated oil. Now add the chopped onion to the handi and let it cook until the onions become slightly translucent. Add a little hing powder. Next, add a few curry leaves to it. Now, add 2 to 3 chilies, slightly chopped. Add the straight sliced tomato to the handi. Now add the sliced mooli to the handi and mix it well so that it is properly coated with the other ingredients. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder now. Now add chili powder and mix it well. Add sambar powder to it now. Now add salt to the mixture and mix well. Add tamarind mixed water to it now and mix it. When it thickens a bit, add a ball of water from the boiled toor dal. Close the lid on the handi and let it cook in steam. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and add 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Add the boiled dal to the handi now and mix it nicely until the dal is completely blended. Add a little coriander now and close the lid. Add little water to dilute the curry if it's too thick, then mix it and close the lid again. After 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid. You will see that the curry is heated properly. Now, you can add a little more coriander and mix it for the final time. Turn off the gas stove now. Your delicious and healthy Mooli ka sambar is ready to be served. Look at that freshly cooked Mooli ka sambar. It's best to have Mooli ka sambar with hot rice, papad, and a green chili for lunch. You can sip a little in between to experience the actual taste of Mooli ka sambar while having your meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of Indian kitchens. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.